The ii-A2 is part of Europlacer's Atom platform range with a focus on high-speed placement for chips and devices up to 13 by 13 millimeters in size. Used as an inline module, it can balance the line throughput of existing machines as well as new configurations. 2 pulsar pipette heads on ii-A2 place at speeds up to 50,000 components per hour. 8 smart nozzles on each head place with absolute precision and handle devices down to 01005 dimensions. With 164 8mm reels, job changeover times can be dramatically reduced. The smart graphical user interface is common across the entire Europlacer placement machine range. Intuitive software ensures quick setup every time with 0 operator errors. The flexibility of 2 heads drives productivity by balancing the workload inside the machine as well as down the line. An optional dispensing head adds glue or solder paste to help maintain yields. As a high-speed modular machine, the ii-A2 delivers fast, fully intelligent, and highly integrated productivity.